What if I told you that even if you are earning well or if you have saved a little, your family could go broke tomorrow overnight and nobody would step in to help? I know it sounds harsh, but this is the only truth. But every single year, thousands of families face this exact situation, and most of them never see it coming. Take a moment and think about this. What happened to your family if tomorrow you are not there? Who pays the home loan? Who funds your kids' education? Who take care of daily expenses? Scared to even imagine? Is not it? This is exactly why term insurance exists. It's not about fear, it's about love. It's about ensuring that no matter what happens tomorrow, your family's dreams stay alive. Yet, here's the problem. Most people either don't buy term insurance at all or buy it completely wrong. They pick a cover that's too low, pay extra for features they will never use, or miss hidden clauses that lead to claim rejections when their family need help the most. And let me ask you this. Are you sure you know exactly how much cover you actually needs? Are you confident you are not overpaying for things you will never use? How to calculate the right cover amount for your family, or which features and riders actually matters and which are just marketing tricks? Even one of these questions has crossed your mind? Stick around till the end. In this video, I am going to break everything down in the simplest possible way. Hi, I am Mariam and I represent Policy Hub, where we make insurance simple, honest and easy to understand. And if by the end of this video you are still confused about which term plan is truly best for you, book a free consultation with Policy Hub. Link is in the description. Now let's discuss a moment that changed everything. Imagine this. You are driving home after a long day, thinking about dinner, tomorrow's meeting, maybe that family trip you have been saving for. Suddenly, out of nowhere, everything changed. One accident, one unexpected event, and in a single moment, the life you planned for your family turns upside down. We don't like to think about it. We push it away, telling ourselves it won't happen to us. But here's the uncomfortable truth. It happens to someone, somewhere, every single day. And the only difference between a family that collapses and a family that stays secure is preparation. So first of all, let's start with the basics. Now the question is that what is term insurance? Term insurance is the purest form of life insurance. You pay a small fixed premium, and if something happens to you during that period, your family get a lump sum. It's around 50 lakh, 1 crore, something even more. That's it. No investment, no confusing returns, just pure protection. And the beauty, it's extremely affordable. But here's where people go wrong. They either skip it entirely or buy the wrong one. As per NCRB report, last year alone over 2 lakh accidental deaths were reported in India. And then here's my question to you. If something happens to you tomorrow, would your family be okay? Would they manage the home loan, the school fees, the daily expenses, or would they be forced to sell assets, borrow money, compromises on every dream you build? And that's why term insurance exists, not tomorrow, not someday, but today. Now, people think, why do they need term insurance? People often say, I'm young, I'm healthy, I don't need this. So let me tell you a real case. A 32-year-old IT professional from Bangalore, earning well, no health issues, thought the same way. Last year, he suffered a sudden heart attack. His family did not just lose him. They were left with EMIs, bills and no backup. And this is not rare. These stories happen every single day. That's exactly why you need term insurance. Because it's not just about you. It's about the people who depends on you. Term insurance gives your family a financial safety net if something happens to you. It replaces your income, clears any loans and ensures your loved ones can still live with dignity. It's a small cost today for peace of mind tomorrow. Alright, here's the golden question. How much cover should you actually take? Forget random numbers. Experts recommend a simple formula: 10 to 15 times your annual income. So if you earn 10 lakh per year, your cover should be at least 1 to 1.5 crore. And why? Because this is not just about today's expenses. It's about inflation, kids' education, marriage costs, rising living expenses. And 10 lakh today won't be 10 lakh 10 years from now. So let's talk about how long your term plan should last. And here's a simple rule is take it till the age you plan to retire. Usually around 60. By the time most people have paid off their loan, their kids are grown up and they don't need a big life cover anymore. But if you have young kids, a home loan that goes on for longer, or financial responsibilities even after 60, then makes sense to extend your cover till 70 or even 80. Just make sure your family is protected protected for as long as they truly need your support. Let's quickly sum it up. Term insurance is simple, affordable, and honestly one of the best way to protect your family. It's not about fear, it's about love. It's about making sure that even if something happens to you, your family dreams and future stay on track. And if you are still unsure which term plan is right for you, just book your free consultation with Policy Hub. The link is in the description. It's a super easy way to clear your doubt and make the right choice. Before you go, let me know in the comment, do you already have a term plan or are you planning to get one after watching this? If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with someone you care about. Till then, bye.